Warning. What I am about to show you, to some might be a little disturbing. If you have younglings around that, you know, maybe you're a crypto family, which I've seen. Shout out, by the way, shout out to that one family that I would see at all the BitBoy meetups. I don't remember any of your names, but it's a mother, father, daughter, pretty daughter, brother. I think that's it. I saw him like 3 times. Shout out to them. If you are a crypto family and you have younglings into crypto, shield their eyes from what I'm about to show you. Oh my gosh. The monthly. This is the monthly on Ethereum. You know, even without, you know, anchor trigger wave, just, you know, a wave clip alone, the VWAP oscillation coming down, about to cross over, you know, man. As we enhance to the 2-week, RSIs again close together, momentum wave just getting started. On the previous, you know, similar momentum wave just right here, boom, this was a major drop. I mean, Ethereum, I mean, we knew that if when it was going to be Ethereum's time to come back down, it's going to be nasty. It's going to be bad. It's going to be violent, volatile. Even as we speak, actually today was the best trading day I've had, and I feel like weeks, maybe even months. I've been playing Ethereum like a fiddle off of the 30 and 10 minute. Turned when I had, well, I thought I was down and out on the surviving 100K to 1 million challenge. This account was at $40,000 today. It's now at 136,000. All from Ethereum. Shorted, longed, shorted, longed. And I longed here again. But you know what I've been doing? I've been taking my profits and getting out. I've been taking the money, half of it at least, and getting out. Right now I'm in Bitcoin so long too, but Ethereum is what I've been pallywhacking. But man, you got to pay attention. Got to pay attention to it. So yes, I am long right now. And how about them? So I'll tell you what. How about them spider lines? The Ethereum and Bitcoin spider lines. Look at Ethereum. Blasted, came into the force field. Came to the force field. All right. And now it's... we have the... full moon. The full moon is here. Full moon is here. Now, not every full moon means it's going to pump. I mean, this one, that one didn't work out too well, but most of them, you know what I'm saying? But if there was a time for it to have at least an upward move, now would be the time. We've had a big move down, bouncing off a spider line. And even today, again, in yesterday's or today's earlier video, we knew that, you know, well, no, I wouldn't say new, but the probability was that there would be a little reprieve of an upward move, and then just the same thing continued, dumping, and that's what it did. The move up obviously didn't last long, as any of them have. But market open price came up, boom, cracked back down. And so coming into Wednesday, full moon, we just might see, still chop, still be careful. Fighting an upward action. And, you know, Ethereum specifically, Ethereum, if it can get up to this 3,400, a dual spider line, yeah, I wouldn't expect it goes much farther than that. I wouldn't expect it to go much farther than that if it can even get there. That whammy. Ethereum has a long way down. These RSI, this, so I posted on Twitter, okay? The last time we've seen these RSIs both inside of each other, red, bearish, momentum coming down, money flow coming down, like this, was in 2018. What happened in 2018? The BitConnect, end of BitConnect. And that was a bloody January. That was a bloody dump. That was from, well, shit, hang on. Yeah, that was big. God, what was the price? You tell me the price was $1,100? Is that what Bitcoin was? Wait, what? Is that right? Is that what it was? You're telling me Bitcoin was $1,000? This is Ethereum. Jesus Christ. For Pete's sake. I was gonna say, I didn't get in that early. Yeah, but that was Ethereum, and that was okay. Let's go to Bitcoin here. I was gonna say, am I crazy? Obviously not. Actually, yeah, let's look on Bitcoin. What does it look like for Bitcoin here? Okay. Yeah, they're falling over, obviously. This momentum, ugly. Money flow, not as bad yet. Indented. The VWAP oscillations look horrible. But compared to 2018, all right, here we go. Oh, yeah, see, these were right inside of each other. Boom, 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 boom. And that's when we went from 20K. Went from 20K down to 6 grand. And then up to 12. Then down to 6,000. Then up to 10. And then down to 6. And then up to 8. And then down to 6. Then down to 3. I'm getting 2018 vibes. But the moves up probably ain't gonna last that long. I mean, there is no legs. The moves, the quote unquote pumps, the moves up, they just have absolutely no foundation below it. How could they? I mean, the price been. I mean, how could they? The truth is, the price of Bitcoin has been going up, and time flies. It's crazy how it flies. It seems just like maybe a year ago we were at 15,000. Nope. It's been almost 3 years. It's been 3 years, over 3 years. It's been 3 years. And now we're in the final year, and this is 4-year cycle. This is when things reset. Whatever that means. I'll tell you what it means. What it means is the fat gets trimmed off the beef, and there's a lot of fat. The best beef has fat. But unless you're a weirdo, no one likes to eat chunks of fat. If you like eating chunks of fat, type 1 in the comments. Now, in the immediate short term, okay. Damn, we went under 100,000. Under 100,000. Gosh, I knew I should have done that bet on Poly Market. Oh well. Gee, I gotta keep an eye on my trades over here. Yeah, I mean, let's see. You know what if Bitcoin bounces off this moon, 107's in play. You know, shoot, 103. What 103? You know, 8. Whatever this spider line's got to get through them. These are the 1.0s or 2.0s. Let's go to the OG BitConnect 2017 spider line. There we go, 105. It can get, boy, that would be nice. That'd be a nice bounce to 106 before pain. More pain. The 6 hour momentum clipping in, not confirmed yet, but close. There's 2 hours and 42 minutes left on the 6 hour. View up oscillation is now curving up. Yep. And let's take a look at the old dual band strength indexes. The dual band strength index is on the 6 hour. Yeah. Currently, these last 3 candles, the bullish numbers are increasing. Bear numbers decreasing. Look at that. We got a 22 on the 2 hour, and on the 1 hour. Again, we're showing weakening bear side strength and increasing bull side in this video as we speak. Now, I have been in tune with getting in, securing the bag, and getting out today. It's been a great day. I've tripled my account, taking these just small wins. These small wins I've been taking, and then now I'm like, holy Lord! I was at 40,000. Now I'm at 131. But man, you got to pay attention. At the start of this video, this was up $30,000, $28,000, and it's been what, maybe 10 minutes? I haven't been looking at it. I'm sitting here talking to you, and now it's down to 14,000. So you got to pay attention. Got to pay attention. Mosquitoes. You know, people who get irrigation. You know, irrigation is the most dirty, disgusting water. It's just littered with cockroaches, littered with. It's disgusting. Okay, especially if you're in a nice neighborhood. What the hell? Pay to get some sprinklers. Okay, if you live in a nice neighborhood, this damn mosquito. If you get irrigation, shame on you. Install some sprinklers. Especially if you have pets and kids and shit, and you want your kids running in the yard, your pets in the yard, you got cockroaches and diseases. Irrigation is gross. Live in a nice neighborhood, pay to get some damn sprinklers. Anyways, the market's pulled back today. What's his face? The big short guy was talking about short in Palantir. 60% of his portfolio is short in Palantir. Whatever, you know, good for him. His ass is probably upside down. still big there. Amazon. Okay, the Amazon on the daily. I am bullish on Amazon. Strong RSIs coming up, and it looks quite similar to before in October, November 2023. Same RSI, same type of money flow. Amazon kept pumping. We got Christmas and everything coming up. Listen, I think that, you know, when it comes to like the stocks and options and whatever, what's given me the most returns are the companies that I use every day. Google, Amazon, Ferrari. So, yeah, I'm scalping like an Indian and securing the bag like a good boy, like a good trader. And I think a big part of it was because catching the shorts today. Oh man, it was so nice. It's so nice to be short when the market is dumping. It's a relief. And after feeling that relief, I was like, I was zen. And so I've just been, you know, hitting these scalps and shaving some, adding in again, and taking some, adding in, exiting, going the other way. So it's great. It's been great. I'm liking, after this big dump, I'm liking how the price is moving. You know, the market finds healthy volatility eventually. Right now, we've had very unhealthy volatility. We've been on stilts. And as we dump, eventually, we're going to find that nice, healthy curvature. And today, I feel like we've had healthy curvature. It's been, just like this. It's been beautiful. This is beautiful. Actually, not even that. Not this. That's ridiculous. So I think as the price goes lower here, I think we're gonna have some better curvature. I'm waiting on the response from this one broker. I appreciate all your patience on the options thing, and they said they should give me an answer. If not, whatever. The options video will be released. I know you've all been patient. Hopefully, it'll be released this week. Yeah, you just can't argue with the charts. You can't argue with the charts here. And, yeah, man, boy, Ethereum. Man, when it goes down quick. It goes down quick. It goes down quick and hard. Yeah, a lot of room down. I mean, Bitcoin, you know, technically the 100K kind of held. You know, we spliced under it. Yeah, we'll take it day by day. But as of right now, I think we're going to be moving up. And these moves up. You know, make sure I'm making sure I'm taking my gains along the way, because they end like that. I think it's going to be a good Wednesday, bull Wednesday. Look at this 12-hour. The VWAP oscillation's coming up. It's got room. Yeah, I think we have a little chance for some relief, because we've been in disbelief. We've been in pain. But man, I'm telling you, if you haven't been shorting, if you haven't caught in a short, you know, try to at least get in a good one once you know, things top out, go sideways, crack one. Feels great, man. It feels great. Uh, I do believe that. Market Cipher 30% off coupon code still works. The code is prepared, not scared for 30% off. And one final thing. Oops. Super, super important. You go to marketciphermerch.com. 'Tis the season. It's PD the Pencil next season. Our mascot. Kind of. Our anti-mascot. The mugs are back in stock. They are 23 ounces. You'll never use another mug against the best mug. If it's not the best mug you'll ever use, if you don't use this mug more than any other mug, it's perfect. It's big, but not like gigantic, like where it's like ridiculous. It's the best shaped, largest mug you'll ever use. It's not a little shitty 8-ounce. Who wants to drink out of an 8 or 10-ounce mug? It's ridiculous. 23-ounce mug, it handles whatever you put in it. It's shaped perfectly. I know it's a little on the pricier side. The people that make these, they work with the Super Bowl and stuff. We're small potatoes to them. They don't listen to me. I asked them to give me a package deal to do the price separately from shipping. Said they include shipping. Only do one, but it's a beautiful product. MarketCipherMerch.com. Get yourself one today. If you don't like it, then you have a problem. It's a you problem. If you don't like it, something's wrong with you. We're almost at 150,000, baby. Hey, listen, the 100K to 1 mil dream is still technically alive. See you soon.